Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a NordVPN app if it's not opening. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so first up, go ahead and find the app icon if you're using Android. Just tap and hold onto your NordVPN, tap on the app info icon, and then just find storage. Tap on storage. Now first up, we're going to tap on clear cache. Wait a bit, and once that's done, swipe up, open up NordVPN, and then you should be good to go. If you're using iOS, just go ahead over to settings, general, then iPhone storage, and then after that, just offload the app. Alright, and once done, reopen a NordVPN, secure your connection, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now for Android, if that still won't work, again, find the app icon, tap and hold, tap on the information icon, again, storage. Now once done, tap on clear cache, and then after that, tap on clear data. I'm not going to do it because I don't have any problem anymore with my NordVPN. So tap on clear data, and then after that, for both Play Store and App Store, find NordVPN. Okay. Make sure that the app is fully updated. If it says update right here, tap on it, update the app. Once that's done, open it up, and you should be good to go. That is how you fix a NordVPN app if it's not opening. And by the way, make sure that you're currently connected to the internet. It could be mobile data or Wi-Fi. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.